Baking soda is used in many different ways for a number of reasons. We have discussed on this channel how baking soda can be used as a cleanser, a way to enhance your garden, and health promoting ingredient. But did you know more and more individuals are using it to clean their mattress? Since we lie down to sleep each night, it is important our sleeping area we are in contact with is clean, plus baking soda helps to take out unwanted odors. Now, let's discuss how to naturally clean your bed with baking soda. You will first want to wash any sheets and pillows that go onto your bed, as this will allow these items of the bed to be fresh, clean, and odor-free. Then, when using the baking soda, pour 1 to 3 cups into a container and sprinkle it all over the mattress evenly. If there are some spots worse than others, you can add a little more baking soda there to neutralize any smells and remove stains. Just make sure the entire surface is covered. Studies have shown that allowing natural sunlight to directly hit the mattress is ideal once covered, as it can help to neutralize and freshen the mattress. Let the baking soda sit on the bed for about 24 hours, as this will give the baking soda time to settle and complete its absorbing and cleansing ability. After 24 hours, it is now time to remove the baking soda, which is most effectively done using a vacuum that is powerful enough to remove the baking soda but not damage any parts of your mattress. Make sure that all of the baking soda is removed, especially from all of the different crevices present. Once the process is completed, flip the mattress over and repeat on the opposite side. This baking soda cleaning process can be done 1 to 2 times per year to keep our beds fresh, clean, and odor-free. Why is baking soda so effective as a bed cleaner? This is because it is such an effective natural cleaner, deodorizer, and can safely remove dirt, stains, and smells. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about other healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.